So today, hi everyone. Today we will be doing one small problem solving with respect to functions. Okay, so this is the practice problem of function. I'm just creating a new file over here and writing down practice. This is the question which we discussed last day, and I've just we'll do this part so that you don't have any issue. So we need to make a function that takes three numbers and returns the biggest out of them. Okay, so I will just, how do we start? Let's say def. Okay, let me just make it big for you. Def is how you start defining the function, right? Now on the name of the function, this is the user defined function. Okay, so maximum, I'm writing down maximum. Now what do I need to do? I need to take in arguments now over here. So you can take it anyway. You can take three different inputs, or you can take just simply ABC over here for the time being. A input, B input, C input, anything. But for the timing, I'm just passing the arguments. So I'm just writing down A, comma B, comma C. Now what's the next step? We need to if, okay, A is greater than B. And we have done this before, and A is greater than C. Then what do we need to do? We need to print A, or we need to return A, anything. Okay, elif let's actually do something. Let's work with return so that I can give you a very clear idea how we use return now properly. Okay, else the second thing is B is greater than A and B is greater than C. Then what do we do? B, return B, will return B. Okay, next, last but not the least, because A and B is already done and the left one is C, so if the last part, we'll use else simply return C. All right, so now let me just store it in biggest. Biggest is equal to, what is the biggest? Maximum, ABC. Let's take three numbers. Let's take 4, comma 400, 40, comma 400. Okay, so definitely if I run this, what will it do? It will run this. It will give these values in respectively A, B, C. And then last but not the least, let me just quickly print biggest. And now you'll find out what happens next is that you get a 400. So how is return working? If you are printing the one which you have stored it over here. So this is how exactly the return keyword works. Okay. Now there is also one thing which you should know, that what are the actual arguments and what are the formal arguments. Okay, so the actual arguments are the arguments that are ones that we pass while calling a function, and formal arguments are the arguments that once that we use to define the function. Okay, so just a small note over here. I'll just put it down over here. Okay, just a small note. All right, so that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video, and let's learn more about functions and its arguments. So till then, keep practicing and have fun. Bye.